Let's learn She's So Hot. It's choreographed by Trevor Thornton and James Pruitt. Is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with 1 restart on wall 3. I'm going to turn around and break down each section of the dance using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall with steps and counts. And then before we go around, we'll talk about that restart and go all the way around practicing the walls all the way up to our restart and the wall following it, so that you can then dance it on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn She's So Hot. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, starting with our right foot. Step right, step left. We're now going to do an anchor step. It's similar to like a triple in place, but you want to bring this right foot into your left, step down onto your left foot, and then step your right foot slightly back. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're going to make another quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side. You're now at 3. We're going to end that section by stepping our left foot behind our right, and then stepping our right foot to the side. Let's try that a little bit quicker. Walk and anchor. Walk, walk, anchor, step, half, quarter, behind, side. Let's try it with some counts. Walking it forward, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our left foot over our right, and you're going to hold. We're going to do bounces to make a full turn. So you have 2 counts, so each count is going to be a half turn bounce. So we're going to lift our heels up, and we're going to make a half turn bouncing our heels and recovering to face 9 o'clock. Bounce. Then you're going to do that again, and you're going to bounce again to make another half turn over your right shoulder, bouncing again, and you want your weight on your left foot. We're going to do a right coaster step, back together, forward, and then a kick and point, kick left, step left next to right, point. So let's try that a little bit quicker. We step to the side, we're going to cross. It's cross, hold, bounce, bounce, coaster, step, kick, and point. Let's try it with some counts, crossing it over. It's 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, you're going to quickly touch your right toe next to your left, and then we're going to do a grapevine to the right, side, behind, side touch. Now you're going to do a half turning hinge turn. We're going to make a quarter turn stepping forward with our left foot. You're now at 12. Make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. You're now at 9, and we're going to weave behind, side, cross. So let's try up to that point. We just kicked in point. We're going to touch. It's and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section of the dance. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot back and dragging our left into our right. So we're going to drag back 4. Drag back, and then you're going to do a coaster step with that left foot, a kick and point with our right, kick right, step right next to left point, and then you're going to lock your left foot behind your right, and we're going to make a 3/4 unwind over our left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock to start the dance all over again. So let's try that last part. We just weaved. We're going to do that big quarter drag, so you'll be facing 6 o'clock. Back drag, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, turn 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. And that is the entire dance. So let's try it one time with steps, one time with counts, and then we'll talk about that restart. Starting with walking forward, walk right, left, anchor, step, half, quarter, behind, side, cross, hold, half bounce, coaster, step, kick, and point, touch, side, behind, side, touch, quarter, quarter, behind, side, cross, quarter, back, drag, coaster, step, kick, and point, touch, behind, unwind. Let's try it with some counts. Stepping forward, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So now that is the whole dance. On wall 3, we have a restart. You're going to dance up to the 16 counts, which would be your kick and point, and then you're going to restart the dance. So let's practice just dancing up to that point facing the back wall, and then we will go all the way around practicing all the walls, including our restart. So we're walking it forward. It's walk, walk, anchor, step, half, quarter, behind, side, cross, hold, bounce, bounce, coaster, step, kick, and point. Right here at this point, you're going to start the dance all over again with your walk, walk, and anchor, step. It's the only one you have to worry about in the entire dance. So now let's practice some of the walls. We are going to do wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4. So you can practice that restart transition. So on the front and back walls, I'm going to use steps, and on that side wall, I'll use counts and tell you where that restart happens. It is a 4-wall dance, so after that restart, you do end up going all the way around, but all of the walls are the same after that restart. So let's try it. We're going to start with our steps, walking it forward. Walk, walk, anchor, step, half, quarter, behind, side, cross, hold, bounce, bounce, coaster, step, kick, and point, touch, side, behind, side, touch, quarter, quarter, weave, quarterback drag, coaster, step, kick, and point, lock behind, unwind, walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, short wall walk, right, left, anchor, step, half, quarter, behind, side, cross, hold, turn, coaster, step, kick, and point, restart, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. After that restart, you dance the rest of the way through without anything extra. I hope this helps you learn one of my favorite dances, She's So Hot. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.